NIN and BVN are enough to open and keep bank accounts, so there is no cause for panic at all regarding tax reforms and bank accounts. It is not the money in your bank account that will be taxed, and it is not your daily transactions that will be taxed. Tax will be based on taxable income, that is, after removing all your inputs or expenditures. For business owners, you will deduct the cost of running the business, and only the profit left as income will be taxed. Students, pensioners, and people earning less than 800,000 naira are exempt. Churches, mosques, and places of worship are also exempted. Loans taken from cooperatives, banks, and other lenders will not be taxed. It is the company or institution that lends you money that will be taxed on the income they generate from loaning the funds out. Keeping accurate records of your transactions is important, and the narration on each transaction matters. Under the new tax law, tech will be deployed. That is why the government is discouraging the use of raw cash and placing withdrawal limits weekly. Nigerians will now be able to enjoy tax refunds. If, at the end of a tax period, it is discovered that you have been overtaxed, the excess will be refunded to you. The good news is that there is an arbitrator who resolves disputes between taxpayers and the tax authority, and their services are largely free. ₦800,000 is the minimum threshold for personal income tax. After that is the 2.2 million naira band taxed at 15%. The next is 9 million taxed at 18%. Then 25 million taxed at 23%. The next threshold is 50 million, taxed at 25%. Calculating it is not difficult. To make it easier, visit www.fiscalreforms.ng, where a tax calculator is available. The money that is sent to you from abroad will not be taxed because only the income earned abroad while you are living in Nigeria will be taxed. Add the narration to transactions sent to support someone in a sick bed. Such funds will not be taxed. Many of them will not earn up to 800,000 naira annually after deductibles. However, people in big business who can earn more than 100 million naira should be financially literate or capable of employing someone to handle record keeping. It is a blessing because the common man is unlikely to pay tax. The present system is progressive. As income increases, the tax rate increases. Therefore, the rich pay more and the poor pay less. Previously, taxation was regressive. Poor people paid more of their meager income while the rich paid less proportionally. Most taxes now go to state and local governments. This makes it necessary for citizens to hold them accountable. Local governments should be encouraged to create websites and publish records so citizens can see how tax money is being spent. There will be no tax if the sale of shares is not more than 150 million naira and the profit is under 10 million naira. Only a small number of wealthy Nigerians fall into this category, so the average person should not worry about this reform. The mechanisms and technologies for calculation and deduction rest with the tax authority. Tax applies where you live, do business, and earn your income. The tax reforms are designed to curb multiple taxation. We want to end situations where the federal, state and local governments all tax the same person. All taxes are now harmonized into one system.